If your dog snores like a log, you might have a snuggle buddy with a hidden talent. Let's decode this snore fest. First off, some breeds are just born snorers. Bulldogs, pugs, and Shih Tzus, we're looking at you. Their cute, squished faces can cause airflow issues, making those hilarious snore sounds. Sometimes it's all about the position. If your dog's sprawled out like a starfish, they're probably snoring away. Just like us, dogs snore more when they're on their backs. Got a chubby pup? Extra weight can lead to extra snoring. A healthy diet and exercise can turn down the volume. And allergies? Yep, dogs get them too. Dust, pollen, even certain foods can block their noses and lead to snoring. But don't worry, most of the time, doggy snoring is harmless. It just means your furry friend is in deep, comfy sleep. And let's be real, it's kind of adorable, right? So next time your pup's snoring up a storm, remember, it's just their way of saying, I'm having sweet dreams. Sleep tight, little snorers.